That was very close. That must one for the coffee. Oh, that was just a warm-up. So what do you want now? She wants one more match. What do you say? Yes or no? Yes, it's louder. I'm so sorry. Okay, one more match for you. Okay, everyone deserves a second chance. Right? I know you guys. Are you okay with that? Okay, there you are. Okay, one more ball for you. Okay, remember now, coffee supporters, cheer much louder. Okay, ready, go! In the row, the winner is Barry! He is a true champion, yeah, man. Do you have anything to say, man? I think he drank a lot of coffee. A big hand for them, ladies and gentlemen, to Barry and Coffee, yeah!